to my channel. If you are new, then my name is Allis, and if you are not new, then thank you so much for coming back for another video, and welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this glitter, I'm not sure what I'm calling this, but I'm going to say something along the lines of a glittery glam celebrity inspired makeup look. I've been seeing so many celebrities lately wear this kind of makeup where you have bold lashes, a nice liner, and you have like this iridescent glitter on your eyelids. It looks so beautiful. I've seen it on so many celebrities, and of course now that I'm filming this video I can't remember off the top of my head who I've seen it on, but trust me, I've seen it on a lot of celebs. So yeah guys, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing today. I absolutely love this look. I say that about every single one of my videos, and I've just noticed that every time I'm editing I'm like, oh my god, I say I'm in love with every single one of my makeup looks, but I mean, let's be real, it's because if I didn't love it, would I even be doing it? I mean, come on. It's so pretty, so flattering, and I think if you have a formal event coming up or anything to go to, a wedding to attend, any sort of event that you have to attend that you feel is a little bit more on the formal side, or even if it's not, it doesn't have to be. If you want to go visit your grandma and be full beat, then girl, do you, okay? So yeah guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see how to get this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so to kick off this video, the very first thing that I'm going to be doing is just priming my eyelids with some concealer. I never skip this step because I do have pretty oily eyelids, so I have to make sure that I'm always priming them. I always use concealer for this, blend it out with my finger, and then I go in with some sort of setting powder to go ahead and set the eyelids. So for setting my eyelids, I'm going to use this white shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm only going to be using like 2 different shades from this palette to create this look. It's really simple, and it requires very minimal products. Alright, so next up I'm going to grab this shade from the palette, and I'm just going to apply that to my crease in windshield wiper motions with just a fluffy blending brush. And this is going to require little to no real precision here. It's literally just going to go in my crease in the most sloppiest motion I could possibly put it on. I'm just slapping this color on here for a little bit more definition because I want kind of like a little bit of a guide for the glitter. So the higher that I put this, it's kind of going to tell me, okay, don't pass this when you put the glitter on. You guys understand what I mean? So just really windshield wiper motions and just apply that shade, that transition shade, all over your crease. For glitter, I'm going to use the Stila liquid glitters. These are like my favorite glitters to work with. This is not a surprise if you watch my videos often because I constantly talk about these. So I'm going to take these 2 shades. This is a bronzier of the 2, and then the other one is just like a silver shade. And starting with the more bronzy one, which is called Smokey Storm, I'm going to apply that to my lid. How you guys saw it, I patted it in there, and then I took a blending brush, and I'm just going to push that product up until it becomes kind of like an iridescent pixie dust. I don't want it to be a very focused glitter. I want it to kind of fade into like these little dusty glitter particles all over my eye. So I'm using a blending brush to do just that. Then I'm going to grab the silvery one of the 2, and you don't have to use 2 different kinds of glitters for this. You can just use 1 shade. You can just use a standard silver, a standard gold, but I used 2 because I wanted a little bit of a play on different glitter shades on my eyes. So now what I'm going to do is take that silvery one, and then I just patted that onto my lid, how you guys are seeing me do here. And then I'm taking a bigger blending brush this time, and I'm just going to keep on pushing that product up. It's hard to explain it, but for the most part, you really just want to keep on blending until the glitters fade as much as possible, because you don't want it to look like a very harsh glitter on your eyelids. You want it to look like, obviously the glitter is there, but you want it to be very pixie dustish. So there you go. That's pretty much all I did with the glitter. I love it so much, especially because it's nice if you get like any sort of light beaming at your eyelids. It makes it look so beautiful and like you spent so much time on your makeup. Alright, so from all the blending, I did get some fallout all over my face with the glitter. So what I'm doing now is just taking a clean makeup wipe and just cleaning off all that excess glitter, because the next thing that I'm going to do is actually go in with liner. I am going to do a really nice liner with this because that's really going to help seal this look up. So you just want to take any liner that you're comfortable with and just do a nice wing. And I try to do this on camera, but I just always end up not being in the shot. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Lilly lashes in the style Havana. And then what I'm going to do is just move into highlighter. I did skip foundation and concealer for this video, but I will have the products listed down below for you guys. So moving straight into highlight, I'm going to use Tarte Pro Glow highlight and contour set, and I'm using these 2 highlights that I pointed at there, and I'm going to apply that to my cheekbones, and then I'm going to go over that with a wet beauty sponge just to seal that highlight in. And then for lips, I'm going in with Palladio's lip liner in the shade Raisin. This is just a really nice deep plum shade, and I'm just going to line my lips with this. And lastly, I'm going to take the Palladio and Holmes collab, and this is in the shade Obsessed. This is just a liquid lipstick. This is a really nice shade. I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. So you guys, that's pretty much going to complete the celebrity-inspired glitter glam makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel, and keep on coming back to the channel for more videos. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for making it to the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!